Welding is fun, but can be harsh on your eyes and face, so using the right protection is very important. These auto-darkening welding helmets from Disston are a great option. Available in a range of awesome color schemes and ideal for stick, MIG, and TIG welding. They can also be used for grinding and cutting applications. It has 2 arc sensors for extra accuracy, and you can even adjust the shade, sensitivity, and the delay. The auto-darkening is solar-powered with a lithium-ion backup battery that will last you up to 5,000 hours. It has fully adjustable headgear, making it very comfortable, and it comes with replacement lens covers. A very cool option for protecting yourself while welding. This is just one of the personal safety solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in-store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on our website. Get to Builders, get it done.